Teaser Pilates exercise benefits. Teaser is a full-body classical Pilates exercise. It demonstrates strength, flexibility, control, and balance. This exercise works on strengthening the full body and incorporates many muscles, including all of the abdominal muscles, spinal extensors, and hip flexors. Strength and activation of the abdominals, hip flexors, and anterior leg muscles are targeted with the teaser. Controlling the motion challenges these muscles along with stabilizers of the spine, inner thighs, lower legs, and shoulders.
Exercising is indeed essential for our daily health. However, it's important to exercise correctly to avoid injuries and ensure that your body benefits as intended. Currently, due to work and lifestyle, many people have become overweight, with fat accumulation